Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. Well, it's author of Divine Soul Whispers, Keroy King. Today we are reading from page 40. Love has held my hand. I told you before, love things inspire me. Yeah. Love has held my hand. As love holds my hand, the blood vessels expand with excitement. Life becomes more alive and colorful. Creative expression takes guard and takes hold, blending the new and the old. The forgotten yet get remembered, the ashes are revamped to beauty. Love has held my hand, strolling uphill towards the heavens, drops of fresh wisdom trickle towards the earth, forming a home as a cloud of heaven on earth. Love has held my hand, concentrating, concreting moments of bliss in the now moment, holding the memories for a future brighter than the sun. Love has held my hand with promises of heart-throbbing adventures to live well and thrive, to express and enlarge, to create form from words spoken, to rest in the ebbs and flows of life where all is perfect from seemingly imperfections. For now and forever, I will keep my hands in the embrace of love. Oh wow, I remember when this poem came through. My my heartthrob was walking me to the airport and I was flying back to Los Angeles. And it was such an, the awesome moment when you have to say goodbye. And when I was seated in the plane, that is how this poem came about. Because I was remembering how he held my hand up to the airport gate, and it's like, well, you gotta go. Yeah, I remember. So for all of you who are creators and writers, anything can inspire you. For me, I'm inspired by just life, love, and just anything in life inspires me to write. As always, it's Mother Eagle. You can find my book at my office in Chitintale, and or send me a DM and we can organize delivery. As always, it's Keroy. Talk to you soon. Bye.